Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to apply themes in WordPress. What is theme? Why we require to apply this theme? Yes, theme will show you a look and feel, and it will change you the entire site template view. You may observe that many websites they are having different type of looks and the feel where you will have a very simple and easy to understand in WhatsApp like a WordPress. There is a huge and thousands of them themes, ready-made themes are available and free to download and add to your WordPress. Very simply, how it is we'll see. Like see, theme will comes under appearance. Now the appearance there is an option called themes. Just click the themes. You will be redirected to within the admin themes page. Now see, by defaultly using like our WordPress, three themes will come. That is the one is the 2020 theme and 2019 theme and the 2017 theme. These are the three themes are coming nowadays. If you want to more add new themes or want to search the installed pre-installed themes, you go for add new. If you want to existing things, if you want to use, you can use and avail. Or else if you want to adding new things which are available and you want to find out, just click on a button of add and see here, this is the spina details and preview. You can check with that and you come back and you just try to integrate and do the modifications at how and what you require. These all are the themes, mostly these all are, if it is showing in within the WordPress, means it's all are absolutely free. See, you can check with the details of the preview of these things and you can find out anything. You can make it as your customize. See, wish list and a startup page for your business and the products. I would like to say something very simple. This one spina will take, and you can also check with details and preview and then you can find out. And what I'm doing is I'm adding this by pressing install. See now, this is the theme is installing. Very WordPress, those who don't know about the code and those who don't know about the technology, this is the WordPress is designed especially for those persons. They don't want to know about the coding language, but they don't know how to operate computer system and how to click mouse buttons and where to find out the language and what he wants to know, and he wants to click the button. That's it. Even we have initiated these lectures from WordPress installation and configuration, all the things. We didn't written a single line of code by having all these things. How it is easy. Now see, we are going to be adding one like a template, like a theme here. And also this is the featured we have seen here. This one are popularies and latest and favorites. Most of the things are available here and you would like to go there. And if you have a buy any like a WordPress theme, that is the facility is also there where you can have a buy the ready-made themes of WordPress and you can upload this button to upload theme to which you have bought and you can upload here and check with that. All right. Now this is the theme is installed successfully. Now I'm going to activating. Once the plugin is installed, like theme or any plugin, you have to install it. Then you have to press the activate. Then only the first the theme or it will be applied to our computer system. All right. Now spina is activated. Now let's see our page how it is. I'm going back. I'm going back to dashboard. You have successfully installed. Now view your site. Let's check this how it is. Wow, what a pleasant surprise. We have successfully installed our web page with the most and most beautification, with the fully responsive. See how it is coming, like a loading of the text. These all are, I didn't written any single line of code even. You don't you don't believe it. I too do you to learn the things like this, and you can apply your way and check with that. See how many are the things are available ready-madely for you. See, the title I have given for tutorial, just another website of WordPress. You just take off your control, everything. If you want to edit this page, just go to edit here, press the edit, and the theme is edited now. Now you can write as your wish of your own content. See, what word you want to edit. Yes, you can edit of the page. I'm back to the dashboard. Such a beautification of the facilities are available in WordPress. You can apply yourself very simply and very easily. So, see the team recommendation of the following plugins like a photo video gallery master and social media gallery, ultimate gallery master, universal slider, and begin installation plugin and dismiss this notice. All this is the dismisses notice. These are the things are recommended to follow the plugins for our add-on. If you wish to continue to add, and you will get more and more functionalities for this theme very simply and very quickly. I hope you are very much familiar to understand how to add the themes and all by adding looking like these themes, and you will be work with more and more with this. I hope you see this is in a customization. You wish to customize of your site by pressing the customization, and you do the changes of this images, this tutorial. Yes, this tutorial also by editing this. Yes, you can change the site title, this tagline you can change, whatever it like our services you want to test change, responsive, what test you want to change you do. What do you want to more with other than this? Have a with the wonders and have full joy while preparing and making a wonders of your WordPress themes and applying on all. I hope you good luck to practice more and more applying these all the free resources to avoid n number of practicing more and more with the themes and applying all the things to develop more beautification of your websites with the responsive and all the plugins are there which you want to have the wonders. We'll see in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.